Yo, this is Nathan Smith with Earl Owen Company. Today we got Bob with MaxTrac suspension. He's got a 2020 Jeep Gladiator with a 4.5-inch lift kit. Check it out.
Hi there, this is Bob Sager from MaxTrac Suspension. I'm here today at Earl Owen Company showing off our new 4.5-inch lift kit for the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. First of all, our heart of our lift kit is our coil springs. This kit is all American made, the coil springs are American made, and these coil springs that we're running here are a dual rate spring. They'll give you a lot of articulation, a great ride, and they're gonna wheel fantastic. So let's go over the kit right now. Of course, you're looking at our dual rate front coil springs. Again, great articulation. Here's your Fox shocks. These are 2.0 aluminum shocks. Very, probably one of the best shocks out on the market today. Brake line extensions and all of your electrical extensions are there. We have our bump stop extensions. We make them out of aluminum, not out of plastic. We run the sway bar links. These are the ones off the back. They come up to the front, and then we give you new ones for the rear. One of the great things that we have with this kit also is it comes with our forged steel, solid steel track bar. This track bar is adjust on the fly. That means no pulling the track bar down or adjust it and put it back up again to get your front end straight. It's done right on the truck and no issues whatsoever. Some of the upgrades we have for this is the kit actually comes without shocks, or it will come with our MaxTrac shocks, or it comes with our Fox shock upgrade. We also have our 4-link upgrade that's available for this Jeep, and give you an idea what it looks like. This is an 1.75" DOM tubing, 5/16 thick, runs a reciprocal joint on the front and a factory rubber on the inboard. The reason why we do the factory rubber is keeps the noise down, makes it nice and quiet inside the Jeep, and that's what we want to have is nice and quiet. So that's why we do the factory rubber on the inboard. And again, very nice joint. If you notice, this one's a front lower. It's actually angled, so it's going to give you more turning radius. For the big tires, you're not going to rub on the big tires aren't going to rub on it. Also, if you notice, even the rod ends are angled, so they sit square in the pocket. You're not going to have one side of the joint wear out faster than the other. It'll sit square in the pocket and work fantastic. If you're looking at a lift kit for your 2020 Jeep Gladiator, please check us out at MaxTrac Suspension. Come down to Earl Owen and pick it up. They'll take care of you.
We'd like to thank Bob with MaxTrac suspension for coming out today. We had a great time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tune in every Friday for more content like this.